Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on an exciting journey to explore the world of cheap home decor, providing that style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. We understand that creating a beautiful and cozy home doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we will share a treasure trove of budget-friendly home decor ideas that will help you transform your space into a stylish haven without emptying your wallet. Join us as we uncover the secret of affordable home decors. Thrift stones treasures. Learn the art of thrift shopping and discover how to find hidden gems at bargain prices. From vintage furniture to unique decor items, thrift stores are a gold mine for budget decorators. Dye Magic. Dive into the world of dye decor projects that are both fun and cost effective. We will show you how to repurpose and upcycle items to create personalized decor pieces. Online discounts. Explore online marketplaces and discount stores that offer a wide range of affordable home decor options. We will guide you on how to hunt for deals and discounts. Budget friendly furniture. Discover where to find budget friendly furniture that doesn't sacrifice style and quality. We will share tips on selecting pieces that fit your space and your budget. Creative wall art. Transform your walls with budget friendly art and decors. We will showcase affordable prints, wall decals, and create ideas that add character to your spaces. Upcycle decor. See how to breathe new life into old furniture and decor items through up recycling. It is a sustainable and budget friendly way to revamp your space. Shop smart. Learn to art the smart shopping by comparing prices, waiting for sales, and using cashback and coupons websites to have money save on your decor purchases. Accessorize on a budget. Explore how to accessorize your budget with budget friendly items like throw pillows, blankets, and decorative accents that add personality to your space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will not miss any of our budget friendly